Hello students, today we will discuss a very important topic of optics part 7, which is Cartesian sign convention for the spherical mirror. By getting or by understanding this topic, you will be able to solve the numerical problem at the level of class 10th, even at the level of higher classes. So let's see how we get or how we can solve the question based on the spherical mirror, image formation and the location of object, position of image, nature of image. Let's see. Suppose it is your mirror. Okay. Here it is pole. It is principal axis. Clear? It is a side which is polished area. Now, as the Cartesian, or you have seen in the coordinate geometry, from here, if it is your point of origin, this side from toward the right side, it is always positive, and toward the distance from the left side, it is always negative. Exactly in same way, the value above this axis or above the x-axis, if you call it, this is the x dash and it is x. Okay, it is positive and below this it is negative. The same concept we will follow here. Okay, now so start from this. If your object is having height this upward to this principal axis, it will be always positive. Okay, if your object if image, okay, object is always like this. If it is image is like this, means below the principal axis toward upward, it is toward upward. Okay, and if it is toward downward, it is negative. Next, your incident ray, always its direction is toward this. Okay, from the left side it will be fall on this. Now this length, okay, if we are measuring the distance from the pole to the right side, then it is positive. So distance from distance toward right, it is always positive. Clear? Exactly same way, distance toward left, it is negative. Clear? And what is this? It is the direction of incident ray. Incident ray. So there is nothing, it is very easy to understand this one. If your height is toward or the toward upward, okay, upward I am saying means above the principal axis, it is positive. If you are measuring the height to downward, then it is negative. If you are measuring the distance from pole to the left side, then it is negative. And if you are measuring the distance from pole to the right side, it is positive. It is your m dash. Here it will be negative. Below the principal axis, above the principal axis, it is positive. So we are taking this positive and it is negative. Now there are so many things to solve the numerical. There are many signs which we should know. First, it is u. What is this u? It is the distance of object. What is this? Distance of object from mirror. Okay, now one thing you will get, the object is always placed toward this side, so u always used to be or always in negative. Then the second, V. It is the distance of the object, distance of the image, distance of the image from the mirror. Okay, from the mirror. Now just see, if you are getting, just pay attention, if you are getting the virtual image, then you will get the image behind the mirror. Then in case of the virtual image, this V will be positive. Okay, so here I am just virtual behind the mirror, behind the mirror. I am saying behind the mirror means it is toward this side. Toward this means inside the mirror, so it will be positive. But if you are getting the image which is real means you can take it on screen. When you will able to take it on screen, when it is on this side. So if the image is on this side means it will be always negative. Okay, so it will be negative. So we can be positive or negative. Okay, now the next thing, F. It is the focal length. Focal length. What is this focal length? The distance from the pole to the principal focus. Distance from the pole to principal focus. Now please pay attention here. In case of the concave mirror, just see, in case of the, if I am talking about the F, okay, in case of the concave mirror, just remind my previous class, the focus used to be here. Okay, what is the focus? When the parallel line emerge, or where the parallel lines, parallel means the parallel incident rays which are, or the incident rays which are parallel to the principal axis after reflection meet at this point. It was your focus, means the focus is here. So this focus you will take in negative because here it is negative. So in case of the concave mirror, focus will be negative. Okay. In case of the convex mirror, convex, just remind this. Okay, what happened? These were the parallel rays after, okay, these were the parallel rays. After reflection, they just diverge like this. So we have to drag it behind the mirror and we get it on this point, and it was your focus. Means in case of the convex mirror, the focus lies behind the mirror. So convex mirror, the focus lies behind the mirror, so F is always positive. So these are the main points which we should keep in mind. Okay, then after this we have to get the two formulas. First, the mirror formula. One, it is the mirror formula. What is this mirror formula? 1 by F is equal to 1 by V plus 1 by U. And please just keep in mind that whatever the value we are using, either V or U or F, everything should be with its right sign, negative, positive, whatever it is. Then to get at what extent the image is short or large, okay, or to get the ratio of the image and object, or to get how much magnification is there, there is a next formula which is magnification. So the next is your magnification. Okay, means the relative or the size of image relative to the object. Okay, so what is this magnification? It is m is equal to h dash, means the height of the image, by h, means the height of the object. So h is height of image and h is height of object. We can also present it in the form of v and u, which is the magnification is equal to v by u. Okay, so it was all about the optics. There are two formulas, the mirror formula, which is 1 by f is equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u, and magnification, which is 1 by h by s dash by h, or we can also write it I by o, means the height of image by height of object. Then the next it is v by u. Okay, so it was all about the formula. Let's see one example how can we solve this. Okay, so on the screen you are getting the question. So it is the question. Now let's solve this one. You can see the question on screen also, which is printed one. So a convex mirror used for rear view, we know it very well, on an automobile has a radius of curvature 3 meter. Okay, what is given? At first we have to write what is given. So radius of curvature, it is given, what it is, 3 meter. Okay, then if the bus is located 5 meter from this mirror, means it is telling the u. If the bus is your object, if it is located 5 meter from this mirror, means u, it is your convex mirror. Okay, the bus is located 5 meter, means it is minus 5. Okay, so then from this mirror find the position, nature and size of the image. So what it is asking? V it is asking. Okay, nature means it is asking it is virtual or real, and the size means the magnification. Okay, so let's solve. We have a formula for this mirror formula. We have 1 by f is equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u. Okay, this one, but we don't have f, but we can find the f because we have the r. We have a relationship with the f and r, that f is equal to r by 2, means 3 by 2, it is 1.5. Okay, now recall that one. In case of the convex, because the f is lies here, so in case of the convex mirror, f will be positive. So your f is equal to plus 1.5. So let's put the value. 1 by 1.5 is equal to 1 by v plus 1 by minus this one. Okay, clear? Now it is like 1.5 1 by v minus 1 by, okay, if you solve this, 1 by v is equal to 1 by 1.5 plus 1 by 5.00, and if you solve it you will get the v is equal to 1.15 meter. Okay, so it is your v. Clear? So we got the position, it is plus, there is no minus, so it is plus, means the v, means the image will lies this side, and here it will be 1 by 1.15 meter. Okay, but we don't know whether it will be on this side, it is erect, or but it is virtual, so it will be erect. But let's see. So we have solved the value of V, or the distance of image from the mirror, which is 1.15 meter. Now let's see the magnification. For the magnification in the mirror, what is the value? M is equal to either H dash by H or minus V by U. Okay, so we have seen the magnification, M is equal to minus V by U. Please pay attention here, it is minus V by U. So we don't have the value of this, we can use this. What is the value of V? V, it is 1.15, and the U, it is minus 5. You will get the plus 5 value. So if you solve it, what you will get? Plus 0.3. Okay. So what you can observe, that it is point means less than once. What does it mean? The image is a small size. Okay, first thing, and the ratio will be this 0.23 times. Okay, then the second thing, we are getting it plus, means the image is erect, so you will get the image like this. Okay, so position, it is this 1.15 meter behind the mirror. Nature, virtual, because it is behind the mirror, 1.15, and the size, it is 0.23 of the height of object, means it is smaller in size. So you are able to solve the question in this way, by focusing on the sign of the different thing, and that by understanding that Cartesian sign, we can solve the numerical problem of the reflection through the spherical mirror. Thank you very much.